Hey everybody, welcome back to another Airsoft video. Today the gameplay is going to be zombies. Basically me and two other players have got to go up each level, wipe out each team. Once we have shot them, we've got to tap them, and once we tap them, they have then got to take their armbands off and they become zombies and join our team. This is a pretty quick game, get some good kills. So well done to the beginning zombies and everybody else that joins us, and well done to every player. You all did pretty well today. So let's see how we get on.
Okay, I've got one guy sticking his head over the top. Oh, he's up back. Cool. Whoa! Hit. Hello. So. Come on.
Okay, so we've took that player out, so now all we're doing is we're going to clear this section, make sure this side is cleared from all the enemy. I think we go across and clear the other side as well, just to make sure that's cleared. Once we've cleared that, we advance to the next floor and try and take out whatever people are left on that floor.
Get behind there, Jim. Yeah, clear.
Okay, so that floor was cleared. So now we're moving up to the second floor and see if we've got any enemies on this floor as well. If we have, then we clear all them as well.
You take that. Zombie? Zombie? Zombie. Close it.
Right at the end in between.
Yep. Yeah, go. Move.
Right at the end of the corridor.
You got your zombies in here, mate.
What?
Are you a zombie?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got your zombies in here.
We got zombies in here.
And you just shot me in the dick.
I didn't shoot you. Not me. Yeah, come out. Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah.
Right, everybody, move back out this room. Bear me a second. No, when he says
Can't grenade in there.
Okay, so now that this floor's been cleared, that was the last room for us to clear as the other team cleared the other side. So we're going to advance up to the third floor and again repeat the process. Anybody up there, we take them out, turn them into zombies and continue on.
Yeah, there's zombies. We're all zombies now.
I got hit in the face, so I just knew I got hit.
So
I'll see. On you. Yep. Yep.
Okay, so my team had already advanced up to this floor and cleared out all the other attacking enemies. So now we're just going to push up to the 4th floor and kill off the rest of the people that are up there.
Yeah. Clear. Zombie!
Zombie, same thing. Red equals enemy. Get clear, get clear. Red equals enemy, that's... Well, friendly, that's fine. What's in the corner of the room?
Let's go. Go, go, go. Let's go. Let's go. No, go.
Get in that kid with the pistol, get in there. Get out, come on.
Okay guys, so that was the last 3 guys that I had to take out. That's the end of this game. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. If you want notifications of when I upload videos, please hit that bell button next to the subscribe button. That way you'll get notifications. Again, I'll say it on all my last couple of videos. YouTube is doing updates, so it's unsubscribing people, or people are just not getting notifications. So make sure you hit that bell button next to it. If you've got any comments, please leave them in the video comments below, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers guys.